Hi everyone, this is Ryan Oime, aka Massage Nerd, and today I'm at the Alliance for Massage Therapy Education Conference. So today I have Michael McIver. Hi, nice to meet you. So it's my understanding you've been in the field for a few years.
I have.
Yeah.
I have.
Since 72, right?
Yeah.
And I was born in 72, so just to let you know that. Yeah.
That was when I got my massage credential.
Okay.
Out in California.
Oh wow.
And
so what kind of school did you go to? What was the name of it, or?
the place I went was in San Mateo, and it was called the Alpha Massage School. And in that year, that was one of the schools that the Rolf Institute recognized as a good provider for massage information teaching. As a prelude, it was a requirement to become a Rolfer. You had to get your California massage credential.
Okay.
And I'm sure that school is long gone.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So, and you're also advanced Rolfer too, then?
Yeah,
okay.
I am.
Okay.
And I had to learn massage in order to have the prerequisite, and then I was on the Esalen staff out in California.
Okay.
From 72 to 73.
Oh.
And that was I really learned to do massage from the established seasoned massage therapists at Esalen.
Yeah.
And the reason I was there is I was living in Big Sur, and that's where I encountered Dr. Ida Rolf.
Okay. So you met her then and stuff?
She Rolfed me in 1971. I was a model for her to demonstrate Rolfing on in a massage class. I mean, a Rolfing class. Excuse me. And I got fired up, and I interviewed with her. And then I was told what I needed to do. I had long hair then, so I think she was a little circumspect about whether I was, respectable. But I got some good support from some of the people at Esalen. So I went ahead and got the massage stuff out of the way, and in 73 I trained as a Rolfer. In 74, just through grace, she was in Boulder. Someone dropped out of the advanced class at the last minute, and I got to step in. So I got to take my advanced training from her in 74.
Oh, so many people talk about her, but not many people recently have actually met her and stuff. So it's just,
that was really serendipity.
Yeah.
That was a wonderful opportunity.
Yeah. And what kind of mentors would you say you've had throughout the years then, or?
Within the Rolf Institute, Peter Melchior, Emmett Hutchins, definitely are strong, and Jan Sultan. Those are all Rolfing instructors. Judith Aston, who was a Rolfer, was an instructor, and then left to pursue her own direction, and it's called Aston Patterning.
Yeah, I just interviewed her last month. And
did you?
Yeah,
Judith,
at the World Massage Festival.
Was an amazing influence because she was a good Rolfer, and her background in dance and movement began to expand into understanding some principles about the use of our bodies in whatever we do. Rolfing, massage, being a dentist, rowing a skiff.
Yeah.
And she started to observe that a lot of us were unconsciously emulating Dr. Rolf, who was 40 years older than we were, sitting down a lot. And she got me to get up, to raise my table, and to begin to really feel the body at a much different level. And I think all my clients, since I worked with her, should really owe a debt of gratitude to her. She refined my understanding of Rolfing immeasurably. Yeah, she taught me I didn't have to get white to the knuckles to evoke change. Because all of us initially, Dr. Rolf didn't teach that way. Most of us had kind of brittle egos. We were never sure if we were really good at what we were doing, so I think we muscled up. And I think that's changed. I know it's changed a lot over the last 30 years.
Yep.
Rolfing's reputation for being painful is long outmoded.
Yep, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, because that's what I heard. Ida Rolf in one of her last years and stuff on the planet. I mean, she would get up out of her wheelchair and just get into people and stuff. And
She worked with such grace because I got to have her work on me when I didn't know anything about Rolfing.
Yep.
And I resisted occasionally, and that's when it was uncomfortable. And as soon as I realized I was resisting, then her hands just melted into me.
Yep.
Then after a year and a half, when I took my advanced class and I knew a little bit, I just marveled at her touch. And I said this in an article. She would touch me, working on my neck, in exactly the right place, at exactly the right angle, with just the right amount of force, for precisely the right amount of time in exactly the right direction. I learned so much in just 10 minutes of that having that touch after I started to think I knew what I was doing.
Yep. Do you still have a full-time practice then?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Honestly, it's all I know how to do.
Yep.
And I'm as excited, I am absolutely as excited about getting up every day
Yeah.
and Rolfing people as I was when I started in 1973.
Yep. And then how do people get a hold of you if they want to get more
You
information?
know, word of mouth is solid gold.
Okay.
So I've been in Houston for over 30 years. So my name gets brought up a lot. Rolfing, oh yeah, there's a guy named Michael McIver.
Okay.
But the other thing is a website.
Yep.
Website is critical. You have to have a website.
Yep.
And that's been a tremendous source of business. I'd say I got 2 new clients today, and both of them have seen my website.
Yep. And what's the name of your website then?
It's
Yeah.
rolfinghoustentx.com.
Okay.
rolfinghoustentx,
Okay.
Texas.com.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. It's amazing. People don't go to the phone book anymore. People
No,
don't.
it's everything. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's on
Even
the
the
web.
Yellow Pages online, people are going through.
Yeah,
So,
that's right. But word of mouth referral is absolutely the best source, and that's people who are satisfied and excited about what they receive,
Yep.
passing on the information to friends.
Yep. Well, it's been an absolute pleasure.
Right.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you for talking with me.
Thank you very much.